the airplane, and it's these two right here, those two right there are hypnotizing. These two right here are hypnotizing. And these two right here, the green and blue one and the red and yellow one, make orange and green, dark green. And this one right here is the tunnel, and these two are on top. Eventually, these two are on top, and it's kind of tricky to get back on. So you have to do that, and then this is the propeller. So it goes. So these are the wings, and the wings are connected to this one. So this one, and then this one, and then two of these, and then a big one, and then medium one, two big ones, and then small and big one, and then a twister. And it goes like this, and then this, and then this, and then it goes faster and faster until this comes off. And then, well, it's ready to take off.